Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to another crypto update. We are taking a look at Orion Protocol and Multivac in this video. So be sure to leave a like if you are in these two projects and make sure to join the Telegram chat because we have it online already, guys. We did hit 2,000 subscribers couple of days ago, and we are having that Telegram chat opened up, guys. So you are welcome to join in, ask me any questions, share your trades, share news, and share your thoughts on the crypto space in general. So, with that being said, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say is strictly my opinion on the markets. So, you should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, starting with MTV, the MTV token, it has been on a tear recently. Like, by God, I mean, it has been on a tear. We are seeing consistent higher highs, and I would like to see consistent higher lows as well, but that's not something that we are seeing currently. It's really a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and potentially now we are looking for a swing low somewhere to this level here at the 0.006 cent area. As you can see, the 20 EMA is starting to turn vertical, and that's not something that we want to see because that happened with Orion Protocol, and once the price goes down, the 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 EMA is gonna curl back down, and it's gonna be a lot longer for it to start coming back up. So we don't want to see that. We want to see the price come back down so that the 20 EMA can straighten out a bit, and that will be healthy because if we do start coming back up more, then obviously that's a good thing, but I would like to see more natural growth for this project. Now, I did have a couple of review videos on this project, and I did share my thoughts on the team, and I did give you a link to an interview that you can watch if you want to make sure that you know what you're investing in. So I did also give you this buying area, and we did come back down here perfectly. And for all of you guys who bought in here and in between 0054 and in between 0049, if you had your trades in here and you bought with me, now you are in profit. Like that is, let me tell you how much that is. That is 62%, guys. That is a 62% profit. Oh my god, that is I can't believe, like, that was a good call on my part. I don't want to brag, but that was pretty good. So on the RSI, we do look like we are gonna get to the oversold area pretty quick in some time because we do seem to hit our head on the 70 level, and once we break it, then we are in the oversold area, and that's when you potentially want to sell to look for more buying opportunities. So if we throw the fib up right now, so swing low to swing high, we are potentially going to come back to the 0.5, 0.618 level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this rectangle, and I'm going to give you a new buying area, basically. What I'm going to do. So this would be a good buying area right now. The 0.5 and the 0.618 level, guys. That's where you are going to want to buy in, because if the price can usually come back to the 0.618, as you know, that is the golden ratio, the golden pocket. That is when the price comes back down, usually comes back down 9 out of 10 times, comes back down to this area before the next leg up. So I would like to see that happen. As you can see, we are hitting higher highs consistently, and potentially what could happen right now is we can come back down a bit, come to these levels with more volume coming in. As you can see, the volume's kicking in crazy. With more volume kicking in, the price can start coming back up. So looking good on this project right now, looking good. I'm gonna give you these entry points right now. Look at this. So that is in between 0065 and in between 00602. So I don't think we're coming back to these levels right now, but I would actually keep this one because this looks like this is the local bottom. For now, if Bitcoin broke down, then look for the 0047 level, because I can't really make updates on Multivac every day. I will try though, but you know, I do need to give some space for other projects as well. So as you can see, we should come back down with the 20 EMA a bit. The 55 EMA has to creep up. Potentially what we could see is an EMA retest, just like here. But for that, the price has to just come back a little bit and, you know, and just consolidate and be in that accumulation zone just for a little tiny bit of time, just so we can move back up. And potentially this is going to be our resistance line for now, because we seem to be hitting our head on it 1, 2, 3 times. So that is something that you want to look at. But we can see as well that we are in this broadening channel. So that is very good as well. So yes, draw this out on your charts, guys. And the top that we have formed here, the all-time high is at 0.008 cents. So if you want to get in now, you can get in at the 0.073 level, but I wouldn't do that. I would wait for a bit more, and I would wait for the price to come back to this area on the 0.5 and the 0.618 level. But that's too much talking, guys. Let's jump into the Orion protocol. Now, jumping into Orion protocol on the daily chart, we can see after we have made this double bottom, we are starting to move up, and we have to close above this green candle in order for us to keep making higher highs. And that is something that we want to do in order to ensure that we are in an uptrend. So now we are testing this resistance level that I gave you the other video. I believe I made an update on Orion 2-3 days ago. So 17.41 cents is what we are testing right now, and we want to break through that, and that will turn this resistance level into a support level, and I will have it as green in the next video probably. So yesterday it seemed like we were getting ready to break up and you know, potentially hit our head on the resistance level and on the 20 EMA, but we couldn't get up there. We barely wicked to the 19.28 cents, and we just broke down, and now we are in this resistance area. We are testing it. So we made that double bottom. As you can see, we are respecting this support line. So potentially for future references, you should look for this retest if we are gonna start coming back down. So the 55 EMA is just starting to straighten out a bit. The 20 EMA is starting to curl up a bit, and that's what we want to see. On the RSI, we are looking more healthier. We are looking healthier. The histogram is turning green, so that is good. And it's looking good right now. It is looking good. So what potentially we want to see next is break this resistance level, guys. We are gonna hit our head on the 55 EMA, and we want to keep on doing that until the 55 EMA curls up and we make that bullish cross with a 200 EMA. And after that, soon after, the 20 EMA is going to curl back up, and we are going to double cross the 200 and the 55 EMA and make that super bullish cross, and that's going to send the price up, I believe. So potentially what you can do if you are into swing trading is you can have your order limits to one of these. For example, you take a look at the charts and you see where the price wicked a couple of times. That perhaps could be your sell limit, because it could wick there. There's a high chance that it could wick there once again, and your order will execute. The price is going to come back down like almost immediately, and you can buy back in at a lower price and increase your positions. That is what I do. Not all the time, but that is something that I like to do. So perhaps I will have my sell limits at this 19.35 cents level, and then when the price comes back down, you know, you just buy back in. Same with this 21.54 level. So we do have some more resistance levels up ahead of us, but I removed those just so the price chart can stay clean. And let's also throw the fib up just so we can see how we are doing. So as you can see, we are hitting our head on the 0.236 level, and we do want to get out of this level sooner rather than later, guys. This double bottom really is starting this uptrend. So what we want to do is we want to make higher highs. So we bounced off this support line once again, and we just want to come back up, hit our head on the 55 EMA, and hit our head on the 236 level, and then we want to break it and potentially start coming back up to the 0.382 level. And like I said in my previous video, the 0.5 level, that's where most of the resistance is going to be. And once we break through the 0.618 level, guys, we are looking to start coming back up with a lot of volume, potentially. We need more volume, guys. Quarter 3 is looking very good for Orion. Quarter 2 doesn't have any news, any events, I mean, and you know, I think we are gonna see that super price skyrocket towards the beginning of quarter 3, but for now I think our main goal is to get back to this all-time high, guys. That is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know if I missed anything on the charts, guys. Do let me know if you are in Orion or Multivac, and do let me know if you are joining the Telegram group. So yes, guys, feel free to join the Telegram chat, leave a like, and I will catch you in the next video.